We've explored some of the statistics of overdoses already, but did you know that the CDC has identified restaurants as one of the industries whose workforce has one of the highest incidences of overdose? Food service staff actually have the second highest rate of overdose deaths of any industry in the first state.
So it stands to reason that training for hospitality workers in the use of Narcan and other structures of support can and will save lives. And we would like to welcome Ann Carr. She is the Community Outreach Project Manager with the Delaware Division of Substance Abuse and Mental Health. Ann, thank you so much for being here.
Oh, my pleasure.
This afternoon.
Thanks for having me.
I want to talk a little bit about the division and the purpose of it.
So the Delaware Division of Substance Abuse and Mental Health works to provide services for substance abuse and mental health throughout the state of Delaware in a lot of various projects and supports
Right, yeah.
in the community. One of those things is the Restaurant Accolade Program, is a project that I manage. A couple years ago, when we saw the statistics that restaurant workers were the second highest in Delaware for overdose deaths, we developed a Restaurant Accolade Program to try to help give some tools and resources to restaurants to change those numbers.
So let me ask you this. Do you know about any examples? I realize you can't name names and things like that, but do you have any examples of where this has actually helped? It's saved lives.
Oh yeah, definitely. So one of our gold. So the program is three tiers: bronze, silver, and gold.
Right.
And one of the groups that achieved the gold had their restaurants all trained with Narcan, how to recognize and respond to an overdose, and they all had Narcan. And a few days after one of the restaurants was trained, someone came in. The manager thought that the person looked not too well, and when they came out of the bathroom, they collapsed on the floor, and she said she remembered her training from a few days before, went and got her Narcan and was able to save the person's life.
Wow.
Wow. That's incredible. Okay, so can you talk a little bit about how people can get involved with the Restaurant Accolade Program?
Yes, so helpusherede.com has, it's the state's website, has a list of, if you want to see who's already involved. We've trained over 200 restaurants and distributed over 1,400 Narcan kits to restaurant staff. And you can see who's already involved in it. If a restaurant wants to get involved, it's right there on our website. Just a quick email and we'll contact you and get you signed up.
I did not realize that there was such a high incidence in the restaurant industry. That's amazing. Well, thank you for what you're doing.
Yes, thank you.